Harmonics.
Did you frame the pitch pipe?
What pitch pipe?
You know, the one that we use to find our notes.
Oh, that pitch pipe. Funny story, real nice pitch pipe. That's at home.
Yeah, we live in Lawrence, but that's far from here.
It was 9 feet tall when I was a little bitty boy, just up off the floor. We used to go down to Grandma's house every month end or so. We'd have chicken pie and country ham and homemade butter on the bread. But the best darn thing about Grandma's house was a great big feather bed. That bed was 9 feet tall and 10 feet wide, soft as a downy chick, soft chick. It was made from the feathers of 40-11 geese, took a whole boat of cloth for the tick. It'd hold 8 kids and 4 hound dogs and a piggy we stole from the shed. We didn't get much sleep, but we had a lot of fun on Grandma's feather bed. Now after supper we'd sit around the fire, the old folks would spit and shoot. Oh, let's talk about fun in the war, and Granny'd sing a ballad or two. I'd sit and listen and watch the fire till the cobwebs filled my head. Next thing I know, I'd wake up in the morning in the middle of the old feather bed. Soft as a downy chick, soft chick. It was made from the feathers of 40-11 geese, took a whole boat of cloth for the tick. It'd hold 8 kids and 4 hound dogs and a piggy we stole from the shed. We didn't get much sleep, but we had a lot of fun on Grandma's feather bed. Well, I love my mom, I love my pa, I love Granny and Grandpa too. I've been fishing with my uncle, I wrestled with my cousin, I even kissed Aunt Lou.
Gross. Kiss it.
But if I ever had to make a choice, I guess it ought to be said that I'd trade them all, plus the gal down the road for Grandma's feather bed. Yes, I'd trade them all, plus the gal down the road.
Now hold on. Let me think about that gal some more.
It was 9 feet tall and 10 feet wide, soft as a downy chick, soft chick. It was made from the feathers of 40-11 geese, took a whole boat of cloth for the tick.
What's a tick?
It'd hold 8 kids and 4 hound dogs and a piggy we stole from the shed. We didn't get much sleep, but we had a lot of fun on Grandma's feather bed. We didn't get much sleep.